Secret revealed. You can attract money using your birth date. This might sound unbelievable, but the way you relate to money, prosperity, and financial opportunities is deeply connected to your energy and subconscious programming. If you've tried everything to improve your financial situation, but feel like something invisible is blocking you, the answer might lie in a simple, yet incredibly powerful technique, one that has been hidden in plain sight. But before we dive in, let me warn you, this is not for skeptics. If you don't believe that your mind and energy can shape your reality, this video is not for you. But if you're here, it's no coincidence. You were meant to discover this secret. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share has the power to shift your financial reality in ways you never imagined. Your birth date is more than just a marker of time. It holds a unique energetic signature that shapes your destiny, talents, and potential for wealth. By understanding and utilizing this hidden power, you can reprogram your subconscious and align yourself with the frequency of abundance. Many people struggle financially not because they lack opportunities, but because of deep-seated beliefs about money, beliefs they absorbed from childhood. Society conditions us to think that making money is hard, that wealth is only for the privileged, or that financial success requires endless struggle. These beliefs create an energetic block, keeping money at a distance. The good news? You can rewrite this programming using a method so simple that most overlook it. Every number carries a vibration, and your birth date is your personal vibrational code. Writing it down repeatedly acts like a reset button for your subconscious, overriding limiting beliefs and replacing them with a mindset of prosperity. This process is similar to rewriting a computer program. You are replacing old patterns of financial struggle with new scripts of abundance. The subconscious mind absorbs these repeated affirmations, gradually aligning your energy field with wealth and opportunity. Think of it like tuning a radio station. If you're set to a frequency of scarcity, no matter how hard you try, you'll keep receiving experiences that reinforce that scarcity. But when you shift your frequency to abundance, you start attracting wealth naturally, effortlessly. This shift doesn't just change how you think about money, it alters how the universe responds to you. You'll begin to notice increased financial opportunities, unexpected windfalls, and a newfound ease in acquiring wealth. The secret lies in consistent repetition and unwavering belief in your ability to attract prosperity. Here's how it works. Write your birth date 18 times daily. This number is powerful. It symbolizes life, renewal, and new cycles. It creates a strong imprint in your subconscious, reinforcing the energy of prosperity and activating a vibrational shift that aligns with abundance. Engage your emotions. Don't just write mechanically. Instead, feel the abundance as if it's already in your life. Experience the joy, relief, and gratitude of financial success, as emotion is the fuel for manifestation. The more you engage in positive emotions while doing this practice, the faster and more effectively it rewires your subconscious mind. Visualize financial success. As you write, close your eyes and imagine yourself surrounded by wealth, seeing your bank account overflowing, paying bills with ease, investing in your dreams, and enjoying a life of financial freedom. The clearer and more detailed your visualization, the stronger the impact on your subconscious programming. Speak your birth date out loud. Words carry vibrational power. As you write, say your birth date aloud with conviction, reinforcing the belief that this number is the key to unlocking your financial potential. This added auditory reinforcement helps further cement the manifestation process in your mind. Stay consistent for at least 21 days. Repetition is the key to rewiring your mind. Just as a muscle grows with consistent exercise, your wealth mindset strengthens with daily practice. The longer you maintain this ritual, the deeper the transformation will be, leading to an effortless flow of abundance in your life. Write in a manifestation journal. Keep a dedicated journal where you not only write your birth date but also document the financial blessings and unexpected opportunities that begin to appear. This will serve as tangible proof that your energy shift is working, boosting your confidence in the process. By incorporating these steps, you amplify the effect of this practice, making it a powerful tool for financial transformation. Your subconscious mind is incredibly powerful, governing 95% of your daily actions, emotions, and decisions. It operates on patterns and conditioning, making it essential to rewire it with positive reinforcement. When you repeatedly write your birth date with deep intention, you create a strong, consistent signal that reshapes your subconscious beliefs. This practice instructs your mind to align with the energy of financial success, removing mental blocks and paving the way for prosperity. Quantum physics confirms that everything in the universe vibrates at a specific frequency. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions emit energy that influences your external reality. Like attracts like. When you shift your internal frequency to abundance, you naturally attract wealth and financial opportunities. As you maintain this practice, you may notice synchronicities, unexpected money flowing in, new career advancements, financial breakthroughs, and influential people entering your life at the perfect moment. These are clear signs that your manifestation is working. One secret that few people know is that collective energy amplifies individual manifestations. When a group of people aligns their focus on the same goal, writing their birth dates, visualizing abundance, and reinforcing prosperity, it generates an extraordinarily powerful energetic field. This shared intention acts as a magnifying glass, intensifying the manifestation process and accelerating tangible results. Manifestations become not only quicker, but also more profound, leading to unexpected financial breakthroughs, greater opportunities, and newfound confidence in achieving wealth. This is why mastermind groups, prosperity circles, and manifestation communities are so effective. When you surround yourself with like-minded individuals who believe in the power of abundance, their energy merges with yours, creating a dynamic force field of financial attraction. The stronger the collective belief, the more effortlessly wealth flows. By actively participating in such a group, you multiply your personal manifestation power and create a ripple effect that benefits everyone involved. Once you begin this practice, you'll start seeing clear and undeniable signs that your financial reality is shifting. Unexpected money may arrive in your life in ways you never imagined, such as receiving a refund, a surprise gift, or even an unexpected increase in your income. Opportunities will begin to present themselves effortlessly, whether it's a promising job offer, a breakthrough business idea, or a chance meeting with the right person at the perfect time. Your mindset will also undergo a transformation. You'll feel more confident, more at ease, and filled with an unshakable optimism about your financial future. Furthermore, synchronicities will become more frequent. You might keep seeing the number 18 repeatedly, stumble upon financial wisdom precisely when you need it, or encounter resources that guide you toward success. These are clear indicators that your subconscious is reprogramming and aligning you with an abundant new reality. Most people fail not because the technique doesn't work, but because they give up too soon. Manifestation isn't instant magic. It's a process that requires commitment, patience, and persistence. The law of attraction isn't about wishing for something once and expecting it to appear overnight. It demands daily effort, belief, and continuous alignment with your desired outcome. Think of it as planting a seed. If you water it consistently, nurture it, and give it the right conditions to grow, it will flourish. However, if you neglect it or stop too soon, it will wither away before you see the results. Remember, you wouldn't expect to build muscle by going to the gym just once, nor would you expect a garden to bloom without consistent care. The same principle applies to your wealth mindset. Stay committed, trust the process, and you will see results. The longer you maintain this practice, the greater the transformation in your financial reality. Now that you know the secret, the question is, will you use it? The best time to start is now. Grab a notebook, write your birth date 18 times, and visualize abundance flowing into your life. Keep this practice going for the next 21 days and watch how your reality transforms. And here's something to think about. If this simple technique can unlock financial opportunities, what other hidden manifestation secrets could be waiting for you? If you want to uncover even deeper insights on attracting wealth effortlessly, click on the next video on our channel. The journey to prosperity has just begun.